Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a scrolling floating screen effect using CapCut. Okay, let's get started. First, just record yourself making a gesture as if you are releasing a transparent floating screen in front of you. Then pretend to scroll through it in the air like this. Next, just record of your phone screen. For example, your music playlist or anything that involves scrolling like this. Now just open CapCut and import the both video and then place the screen recording as an overlay on top of your main video like this. Like this. Then just go to splice, this one, and then choose lighten like this. And then just crops and adjust the screen recording if needed to make it look like a realistic. Maybe like this. And I will lower the brightness of the main clip. Maybe like this. Then add keyframes to the screen recording clips, one when you start the release gesture and one when you're done with the gesture, like this. And at the first keyframe, just zoom out the clip so it looks like it's appeared out of thin air. And that's it. Here's the final result. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.